Hello friends, good week. How are you today? Vladimir here with you, and this is the weekly review for the last week of January and first week of February 2012. But before we start Forex, let me just congratulate Novak Djokovic of winning one of the best ever tennis matches I've ever seen. He won Rafael Nadal, and he deserves the best applause and the best support for his amazing, unbelievable win. I enjoyed I never enjoyed such trade in forex, and although I'm a big fan of Federer, still he deserves the best. So congratulations, Novak Djokovic. If in any case you listen to this weekly review, congratulations from Vladimir Ribakov. All right, and now back to forex business. And last week has been very interesting, very bullish, very positive for the markets, and the Friday was very positive for the euro dollar and the euro pairs actually. So let's concentrate and see what are going to have. First of all, is there really good news from Europe? Not yet. Yes, good expectations. Yes, good plans. Yes, good program that they build, the help program. But the situation is bad yet. So for me, it's question of time until a few weeks ago I said it's question of time until the euro makes the up move. Now it's question of time only until the euro is making a down move. If we take a look on the weekly chart, RSI below 50, MACD still bearish. Still bearish. It's not the end. I do expect the euro to stop somewhere around in between 132.20, the current level, to 133.60, I would say. It's about 150 pips range. It's about to stop. Weekly chart is almost Marubozu, almost. And from my point of view, it's about to stop and make a first step, a correction for 3-4,000 hundreds pips, and then make the down move. Let's go for 4-hour chart. That's how we will be looking for the sell. This was the first divergence here, it did the move. Now it's building the second divergence. From my point of view, these are the exact areas to look for a possible stop. The current area and the higher area. Just right here on the resistances and the stops here, as you can see. This is the area for 4-hour charts to complete its divergence and make the return. If we want to see the euro really making a down move, we will have to wait until this trend line will be broken. Once this line will be broken, then the euro dollar will make the move. The line is actually going here. This was a false break here, and we immediately raise. Next time it's breaking, from my point of view, it will open the doors for the euro for the fall. So get ready for the sell. Yes, it could go little higher, but from my point of view, it's the end. Get ready for a sell, and the range is from now to little below the 134. Pound dollar, same story based to the daily chart. There are critical resistances area. The first is a current area just right now. The next one is about little higher, is somewhere in below the 159. So from my point of view, the pound dollar is about to be sold. On 4-hour charts we can look for possibilities. This is a divergence, and a bearish pattern here should make the first stop, first sell. If it breaks through the same line, there's a line for all the majors. If it breaks through the same line, we are going for new lows. First of all, I believe the pound will be aiming 155, and then if it breaks through 155 and actually the daily 20 MA, then I believe it's going to open the doors for the pound dollar to reach at final new lows. Then we could talk about 148, but it's still far. So get ready for sells. Let's continue for the next pair. The next pair will be the Australian dollar. Same story. Very continuing divergence here. RSI aiming very critical top. 107 is very psychological area. 4-hour charts has been hardly very strong divergence. Question of time only until we have the down move. I would say begin your attack and add more once this line will be broken. Once this line is broken, we are going for the down move. The down move that will take us to 102 and then break below 102, which is the daily a strong support here, sorry, just right here area. If it breaks below, then we can say the Australian dollar is expected to go even lower. New Zealandian dollar, same story, continuing divergence, RSI being critical around the 80, very stiff resistances just right here around, 4-hour charts being very nicely divergence, question of time only, get ready for the sell. If it goes higher, the next area to look for a sell will be, I would say, little below the 0.85. So for me, this is the last range for the New Zealandian before it makes the whole down move. And I do see the New Zealandian going back to 0.80 at least, and break below 0.80 from my point of view will open the door for further move. I do expect for all the majors for very soon correction for 3, 4 or even more 100 pips corrections. Let's continue. Dollar against the franc. Well, this is the opposite of the euro dollar. It has very stiff support, and very interesting situation is this harmonical pattern. If it holds, we will see the whole retrace to 0.94 or even maybe higher. Very stiff support. The only question if it holds or not. Based on the daily chart, we still have more to go for duplication here, right? We still have more to go. We can see the dollar franc reaching the below the 0.90 even, but it depends very much from the euro dollar as it moves exactly the opposite for it. So this one is going to turn around also. Euro Australian is very interesting, very sideways moves. Break above the sideways move should open the doors to 126, and this will be my expectations. If the prices will break through upper boundary of the Bollinger Band and RSI will cross 50, then friends, open the doors for 129 to be reached, and that might happen if Australian dollar will begin its down move. Let's go for the gold, which is reaching its top. From my point of view, 1750 will be the critical area to begin the sell. Break above 1750 should open the doors for 1790 move and a crush from there. 4-hour chart, same divergence as the beginning, so get ready. We are about to see a down move, and for me, this will be the target. This big trend line on the 4-hour chart, just right here, is going to be the target for the gold. So stay tuned, it's about to happen. Get ready for that. 1750 is the first area to attack. Breaking above will most likely take us to 1790, maybe a little below, and then a crush. Get ready for the gold. Let's move forward, friends. And the next interesting will be the euro against the pound, which is, from my point of view, is very time to begin the attack. Duplication of the Bollinger Bands, 200 moving average, RSI being around 20. This is the right time to attack. Stiff support, I do see it returns for 7, maybe 800 pips. We will aim the resistance here and the 20 MA of the daily chart. If it goes a little lower, then this will be our next area. Well, I would say 415. It should be nice area for the attack. 415, maybe a little higher. And I do expect Euro Poland to make the up move. The only problem here is the swap, which is against us. Euro Canadian, we have been discussed about this pair to make the up move. It finally happened. Divergences never lie. Remember that, friends. The only question about the divergences is where the move is going to come from. It finally did. And we have now the up move. I expect to go a little higher, and we will be looking for a possible sell. Pay attention, we will not sell now despite of this divergence, because the previous divergence, first of all, this RSI line has been broken, so it's a bullish sign, right? But this divergence here, as you can see, made the effect. We had the first attempt, the second attempt, the third attempt to make the down move, and each of them did not success too much. And then now it's broken. That's why we are waiting for the next divergence. From my point of view, the next divergence should take us above 133, and it might take us back to 134 for the next possible sell. So look for buy opportunities for Euro Canadian. From my point of view, if it's going and retesting this area and hold the 132, it could be and should be a possible buy opportunity for the next areas. The same, by the way, for the Euro Pound. Euro Pound broke stiff resistance area just right here. See that? 83.80. If it holds a retest, it could be very nice buy. If it will close below this support again, it's, well, warning sign. But as long as it holds, it should and could easily take us to the next area, and the next area will be around 084.70, 085 area. So I am very bullish yet for Euro Canadian and Euro Pound. From my point of view, they both are going high. The next interesting pair to look for will be the dollar against the Singaporean, and I believe this pair is about to make a retrace. First of all, we have several supports here on this area. We have a double duplication of the Bollinger Band. We have RSI being playing around the 20. Question of time only until it builds the divergence here and make the whole return. So get ready to attack the dollar Singaporean for a possible long. Pound against the New Zealand will be the last one. We have a critical divergence here. It's time to get in. Yes, it could go and take the support a little below the 190, but once it's ready, it should make the whole retrace, from my point of view, to 155.50 or even higher. Get ready for this pair. If it breaks, by the way, the 190, most likely we are going to have to 188, which is this support area, small support area, but 186 will be the next stiff area for the huge retrace. The lower it goes, the bigger the retrace we can expect for. This is my opinions, friends, about for this week, and that's what I will be concentrating on. Thank you very much for watching this video once again. Novak Djokovic, congratulations from all of us. Friends, thank you very much. I wish you a beautiful, beautiful week and good luck with our trading. I'll see you in the live room. I'll see you in the club. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye, Vladimir.